It looks like the Samsung Galaxy S7 $299.29 at Amazon.com, feels like the Samsung Galaxy S7, but isn't actually the S7. No, it's the 2017 version of Samsung's midrange series, and it's a pretty good looking phone at that. While it's no OnePlus 3T, the current king of the midrange, the A7 has the chops to stand out as one of the best. While the OnePlus 3T boasts a flagship processor, the A7 takes a more typical midrange route with a 1.9 GHz Exynos 7880 that's comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 615 chip. That's not a mark against it though, as the phone runs as smooth as butter, especially on games like Asphalt 8. The only thing I felt could be better was palm rejection. The phone would constantly register my palm brushes when I used the phone one-handed.